Hello everyone, my name is Clement Mwakamui and I'll be the first presenter. We're presenting on the employee online attendance logbook. The aim of this project is to set a system which would take daily attendance of employees. This project utilizes the architecture for fingerprint scanner. The system body should be able to compare a scanned fingerprint image with the one stored in the database of known fingerprint images and exact key features from the scanned fingerprint. Through this project, we will provide a system which will scan the fingerprint of employees with fingerprint sensors and drivers for Windows. Our prospects had been already fulfilled by most of the algorithms developed earlier for Windows PCs. The main objective of this study is to ensure that employers are able to monitor the times at which their employees report for work. The following are the specific objectives. Number 1, computerize the day-to-day attendance system. Number 2, attendance by biometric authentication. Number 3, shield the proxy which is happening in the traditional system. Number 4, find out the level of incompetence in non-biometric attendance identification. Number 5, find out the need for a biometric attendance system which forms the motivating factor. Number 6, to recommend the right techniques in attendance management development. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Alina Senyorinda and I'm the second presenter. I'm going to be looking at the research questions and the related works. So as a team we came up with 4 questions. Question 1 being, what type of geometric or technology system are they familiar with? Question 2, does your organization require a follow-up chromatography of attendance or staff? Question 3, do you think your organization should use a geometric attendance to record employee attendance? What version of geometrical technology would you like your organization to use? That being question 4. So we also looked at the related works that have been done by different scholars. This being the origin of biometrics has been in the public sector. However, biometrics are used for identification and verification of criminals and also identifying the people that are working in the company for verification purposes. So other sectors where biometrics has been used and these industries are thriving are banking, education, healthy sector. For example, imaging applications where marketers are using biometrics to enable transaction payment solutions and biometrically enabling wireless for business use. Furthermore, biometric application has been useful in various sectors which the government are now using for the purpose of stopping terrorists and fighting criminals.
This is Mark Des. I'm a third presenter. I'll be presenting the proposed solutions and procedures and methods. The proposed solution is to create a web-based application that will be used by employers to monitor their employees. It will use a biometric fingerprint scanner so as to indicate the time that the employers report for work. The procedures and methods. The researchers in this project will be used the integration and configuration software development. The software development will be based on software reuse, where the system will be integrated from existing components or other applications. The used elements may be configured to adapt their behavior and functionality to a user's requirements. Reuse is now the standard approach for building main types of software or business systems. There is some justification of using the integration and configuration as follows. It has reduced the cost and risks as less software is developed from scratch. It was faster delivery and development of a system. Okay.
Picking up from where my colleagues ended, my names are Mushinka Pekila. Concerning the issue of ethical consideration, the study will upheld the privacy, informed consent, willingness to participate, and anonymity of respondents. By ensuring informed consent, the study will inform the respondents or participants about the study and why the study is being carried out. The project management will use the work breakdown structure in a landscape mode. Under risk management, we'll have the risks, probability, effects, strategy, and monitoring. And these risks will be measured in the categories of estimation, organization, and people research. Thank you.
Outcome of the project. The project clearly aims at developing a system which will take daily attendance of employees through the fingerprint, which will be used to identify the person registering for attendance. This means that the employee has to be physically at the place of work in order to scan their fingerprints to register the attendance respectively. Thus, this project will bring about honesty and productivity among workers in different institutions. It will put restrictions on the working hours, as the system will be able to monitor the time workers are reporting and knocking off. And the system monitoring the working hours, it will encourage the workers to be time conscious, as they know that their working time is being monitored. Since the system body will be able to compare a scanned fingerprints image with the one stored in the database of non-fingerprints images and extract key features from the scanned fingerprints. The implementation of an employee logbook will ensure total security. This is so because the system intends to give access to register attendance to the members of the workplace only, whose fingerprints images are stored in the database. Furthermore, this system will limit individuals who are not part of the institution or company, as their fingerprints will not match with any fingerprints stored in the database. This will eliminate the negative work culture from certain workers who like faking their reporting time and knocking off time at the place of work, as well as those who are always absent at work but their attendance is being recorded by their fellow workers.